Craving that perfect Chipotle burrito bowl, but got a gift card burning a hole in your digital pocket? Let's dive into how to use your Chipotle gift card online, whether you're on their website or using the app, so you can quickly satisfy that craving. First, fire up your Chipotle app or head over to Chipotle.com. Hit that Order Now button to start building your personalized masterpiece. Choose your pickup location, ensuring it's the right spot for your lunchtime adventure. Pile on your favorite ingredients. From the perfectly seasoned rice to the fiery salsa and creamy guacamole, make it exactly how you like it. Once your virtual burrito bowl is looking irresistible, head to checkout. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down to the payment options. You'll see an option to add a gift card. Tap on it now. Carefully enter the gift card number and the corresponding PIN. Double-check those digits to avoid any frustrating errors. The system will verify your card and show you the remaining balance. If your gift card covers the entire order, you're golden. If not, you can add another payment method, like a credit or debit card, to cover the difference. Review your order one last time, and then hit that Place Order button. Congratulations! You just conquered online Chipotle ordering with a gift card. If you face any issues, like an invalid card number, make sure you've entered the information correctly and that the card hasn't already been fully redeemed. Enjoy your delicious Chipotle feast. #Chipotle #gift card.